Hello, everyone. All of you back there as well. Hello, Jerry. I'm Anna from Froont, and Froont is here to change the process of web design completely. From all the websites out there, 80% are not mobile friendly, and there's a reason for that. And the reason is that it's really difficult to find a good web designer whom you can afford and who can do the web design in time. Froont is offering a solution that consists of two parts. One part is a visual web design tool, and the second part is a platform where designers can not only store their work, but also see what others have built and learn from each other. So the tool runs in a browser. It has very easy to use drag and drop interface, and the designer can immediately see the results, how they will look on different screen sizes, and all that without any coding. The final result can be easily shared with clients and collaborators just by sending a link, and they can open it from any device and see how it looks. The open-source web design platform, which is a complete innovation in the market, means that the designers who create web projects, free web projects, are creating public projects. And other users on the platform can open them and use them and develop them further. For example, they can take a header from one project and the text layout from another one and immediately create a new project, which makes the design process much faster and saves money for the clients, and also allows the designers to earn more and do everything quicker and cheaper. If we look at the competitive landscape, we know that there are a lot of web design tools out there. But we are actually building a new layer in the web design process, in the web design workflow. So basically, the designers who are currently using Photoshop for sketches can still do that, import the CSS right into Froont, and it's a ready responsive website, and they can export HTML. Or they can design in Froont and then connect it to Tumblr or any other CMS, or even build newsletters with Froont. We have three competitors, Macau, Webflow, and Reflow, who are doing a similar thing, but our main advantage is the platform. This is how far we've gotten in 6 months. We launched our beta in May, and we now have 40,000 users, and they have created 65,000 projects with our tool. And if we look at the data today, then half of those active users who are coming into our tool and building things are returning users from previous periods. So this is our traction. This is how we've grown during the 6 months. Right now, here in Slush, we're launching payments. This means that users can create private projects. They pay $49 per month, and they can create up to 10 private projects. And all the free projects are public for others. I wanted to share actually 3 quotes from our users with you, which show the use cases. So number 1 is a print designer moving into web design who says that our platform is exactly what she's been looking for. Another use case is a professional web designer who have been using other tools like DivShot or Jetstrap and say that Froont is so easy to use, he's going to make his grandma create a responsive website. And finally, it's agencies who so far have been waiting for us to launch the payments so they can create private projects for their clients. We are 3 co-founders with very diverse backgrounds. Our CEO is a designer with more than 10 years experience in design. He lives in San Francisco and develops our company there. Our CTO has more than 15 years experience in large-scale web project development. And I have more than 10 years experience in marketing, and I've graduated the Home School of Economics in Riga. And we are hiring developers and designers, so come and sign up. But Froont is not our first tool. We actually built another one, Berta, which is used worldwide and which is a separate, profitable business. So we're currently looking for funding to help us grow faster and grow the team. So if you want to join us and be part of the process differentiation, of disrupting the web process, come and join us. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. So what will make your users come back regularly and actually create recurring revenue? Because it seems like it's a one-off, you need it now and then.
So our main target group are professional users who are creating, say, 5 to 10 websites per month. So basically they will be coming back each month to create new websites for their clients.
Can you explain a bit how you think about how large of a business opportunity this is going to be?
Well, we look at it, for example, we now just everybody got to know that Adobe have more than 150 million users in their Creative Cloud. So we look at that as an indication. Also, we look at, for example, 99 Designs. They had 62 million revenues shared to the designers in their community. So the design part is really huge.
Can you explain to me the difference between private versus public and the decision to charge for private?
Okay. So this is actually not a new business model. Prezi has it and GitHub has it. And the idea is to differentiate between the users who are doing private projects for themselves or students who are learning things and the commercial users who are using our tool for their clients, who are earning money with using our tool. So they will be the ones paying because they usually don't want anyone else to see what they are building.
Okay. And the open source for the projects, have you thought about monetizing and creating an economy between the page designers and the consumers of that so that it's like an eBay around that process?
We don't want to go into that direction. We know that there are other resources providing the marketplace between the client and the designer. But we know that, for example, 99 Designs can use our tool and have already ready web design, not just sketches. So we probably would be going together with other services.
Okay, thank you.
Was it so that you're just now today announcing the pricing that you've been giving everything out for free before this one?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
So it seems that this is an area that Adobe wants to own. So how with 150 million users, how can you stay competitive against them?
Well, we are doing it quite differently. So Adobe is going into the direction that they have tools, but we are providing the platform and the additional benefits that the users can get from that. And the main difference actually between us and Adobe is that we run in the browser and they are a tool in their tool set. So they don't provide this possibility to share very easily with clients.
So I need an answer now full of passion, okay? So is this a feature? Because it seems to me a feature more than a business.
Feature.
Feature. A small piece of a very large product that is not you. And if you get very upset, I'm happier. So the more upset you get, the better it is.
Yeah. I think it's a huge thing. It's going to be like the game changer. It's not the feature.
Okay. Thank you, Anna. Okay. Let's go on. Thank you.
Yep. Thank you.